Hi, it's time for a little NuTone nostalgia. I was looking around in my files today. I was looking for a catalog to use in another video, and I happened upon this. And I forgot all about this, so I thought I'd share it with you because I think it's kind of interesting. This is a small sales brochure from 1994, and this is when the NuTone IM3303 was first introduced. And since it was introduced before the full-line catalog had been printed, they printed up these little flyer things so dealers and distributors like me could have something to hand to people when they came in to look at the displays in the store. It's of course touting all of the new features. More power, 15-watt amplifiers provide richer and cleaner sound, extra convenience, operate radio from Intercom speakers, advanced features, digitally tuned AM/FM radios with 12 station memory, beautiful styling, and it was in those days. It was the 90s. It was in bright white, which was all the thing in the 90s. Smooth, rounded corners and an uncluttered appearance. And they're just comparing it with the NuTone 3003 that it was replacing. And oh look, here's my sticker from 1994, back when our area code was still 510. That was a long time ago now. If you open it up, this is where it gets really interesting. We have descriptions and new remote speakers, and they have rounded corners and a description of how it all operates. But over here, we have something particularly interesting. We have 3 different master stations that they were going to make. Here we have the 3303 WH in bright white. Here we have a 3303 BL in black. And here we have a 3303 LW, which is light maple / cream master station. And I remember when this brochure came out, being a fan of black master stations, I thought this was going to be all the thing. The white ones were of course the most popular because back in the 90s everybody wanted bright white everything and that was the choice. But black was a good choice for people that were somewhat bolder, especially if you had the right kind of kitchen. You know, if you had, back in the 90s, you had of course granite countertops, and if you had all black appliances, the black master could make a nice bold statement. This light maple and cream master station, I don't really know what to say about that. This is NuTone's ever ongoing wanting to make things in a faux wood grain look. They should have learned from the 3003L, which was also in maple, that it never was a big seller. It's too much in between. It's not dark like walnut, and it's not just ivory, so this would have been a questionable choice. Unfortunately, these two never were made. We actually had customers who wanted the black, and we kept telling them the black's going to come out, the black's going to come out, and then it never did. And then the word came down that no, we're not going to make the black or the light maple because we don't want to. There never really is a reason why they decide not to do something. They just tell you they're not going to do it. Later on, I think it was probably around 96 or 97, they did come out with the 3303L, which was in biscuit. And for those of you who are not familiar with biscuit, biscuit is a color that was created by Kohler Plumbing Products. The idea behind biscuit was anything that was called out, any product, no matter who made it, and if it was called out as being biscuit, it would be a uniform color. Coordinating colors of things when you're building a house can be tricky, you know, because there's white, and then there's white, and then there's white, and then there's another kind of white. And when you put them all side by side, they all look different. But if you chose biscuit, especially if you had Kohler Plumbing Products, it would all match and everyone would be happy and contented. But no black, no light maple and cream. So I just thought I would share this with you because I had forgotten that they had actually put this out. It's sort of a glimpse back into the day when the introduction of a new intercom system was an important thing. You also note up here on the back page, this is again 1994, it's still an MPP product, MPP, Maximum Performance Products. Here it says clearly, guaranteed for as long as you own your home. Of course, you have to read the actual warranty statement that came with it because that's apparently, according to the current management, not exactly what they meant back in 94. You might have thought that's what they meant. Seems pretty clear to me. It's only 2 sentences and there's not very many words. But that's not exactly what they meant. So just sort of a glimpse into the past of how things used to go. I think it's too bad we didn't get black 3303s. I think they would have been reasonably popular. Probably would sell one of those for every 10 of one of these, but some people like the black. So, just a blast from the past. It's part of NuTone nostalgia. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube because that always helps. There'll be a banner right here that shows you how to subscribe. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell, and when you click on the bell, click on it to receive all notifications. And every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can watch it. That's all for today. See you on the next video.